morning. It's not the morning. I got up later than I wanted to today, but it's okay. The first thing I need to do is take down this light and this rail and then get up to the ceiling after my tea, of course. Oh, okay. Turn the light off, obviously. Okay. Alright, lovely. That is really dusty. Lovely. Oh, I'll put my goggles on. I don't think I can get in my eye. Oh yeah, I remember why I don't like doing this. My neck kills me already. Okay. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? You tell me. Pause. Okay, if you think I should continue, like this video and subscribe. Done it? Okay, back to the main programming. Is that wet? I feel like that was wet. Okay, 20 minutes to do that little bit. And we have three 3-meter beams, and it's taken me about 20 minutes to do about 40 centimeters. So yeah, I knew this was going to take ages. All right, let's just get to it though. Eat. Okay, I'm not going to bore you all with the rest of this one. I'll come back when I think I've finished it, because you've already been watching me for an hour, so I'll come back when I think I've finished it. I just filmed for a whole 2 minutes without my mic working, so hopefully this is working now. Basically, I've done the first beam as much as I can with scraping it off. There's quite a bit left on this side. That's just because at the beginning I was putting in a lot of elbow grease, but I'm going to go over these white bits now with decapante. I can't remember the word in English. Again, I'll put it up on the screen. So I figured I was going to do that anyway. So I figured instead of trying to spend another half an hour scraping that off, I'm just going to use the decapante. This beam took me an hour and a half, and I have 2 more to go. So I think without all of the elbow grease, and I've got a better technique now with doing it, it will take me a lot quicker. I'm hoping it will take me about an hour per beam. These are the only tools I've been using. A Stanley knife. Is this a Stanley knife? A knife. This has helped me with scoring, and this has been a lifesaver. And then I've been chipping away with this, just an old scraper. I have an hour and a half before I need to leave to go and meet someone. So I will do a vertical time lapse for you. So see you later. This tin cost me like 50 quid and I bought it 4 years ago and I've kept it because I was like, I'm not throwing that away. So I hope it's still okay. And this stuff stinks. Absolutely stinks. Face mask and ventilation is very, very, very necessary. Okay, so update on where I am. This is what the ceiling is currently looking like. And I need to call it a day right now because I need to go and get ready. So this one, the decapante has done a little bit. I'm just gonna leave it on overnight and then work on it tomorrow evening. This one I haven't put the decapante on. I budgeted 5 days for this. It's currently Sunday, and if I do the evenings over the next week, I think I wanted it done by Friday. I don't want to jinx myself, but with the way we're going, maybe, just maybe, it might be faster. If the decapante doesn't work, I will try a heat gun. That will work for sure. Spoiler alert for next week's episode, it didn't. And then it's a load of sanding, and I've got a sanding machine, so hopefully that'll make it faster. And then I need to seal it and all of that. But I'm pleasantly surprised with how it's going. My neck hurts, my back hurts, my arms hurt.
Oh, my neck, my back, my neck and my back, oh.
So I'm glad that I and you guys chose to keep going. Because if you chose to keep going, you would have liked this video and subscribed, right? Okay, so I'm gonna finish this video here. Catch me next time for some more updates. Bye.